What's Timetic? What you can learn from this content. One, the target customers. Recommended for a luxurious hair care experience. Those who want holistic care for both scalp and hair to unlock your timeless radiance. Those who want an ideal hair finish for unwavering confidence. 2. Product features and usage. Work in tune with circadian rhythm. Awaken the potential of your scalp and hair from within. Enchanted by this luxurious holistic care. Radiance from every angle. Confidence at every moment. Advanced care for the future. Timetic consists of shampoo, treatment, hair mask, and hair serum, all of which are premium line. We also offer 2 types of care services: premium salon care and home care. This time, we will introduce products along with premium salon care. Preparing Timetic Premium Shampoo. A luxuriously rich lather gently removes impurities from the scalp and hair fiber. Hydrates to leave the scalp healthy to support radiant hair. Removes buildup of metal ions and leaves hair soft and smooth. Whipping. Use the whipping cup and whisk to mix warm water and premium shampoo in a ratio of 1:1 and work up a thick lather. Pumping the whisk up and down will help you to work up a fine lather quickly. Cleaning. First, rinse off impurities from the scalp and hair surface with lukewarm water. Then spread the shampoo through the entire hair and gently wash with the pads of your fingers. Rinse thoroughly so that no shampoo residue remains. Intensive moisturizing. Timetic Premium Treatment 1. Intensively hydrates and prepares hair for the next treatment in the same line. Application. After towel drying thoroughly, finger comb hair into place. Section into 10 parts according to the illustration. Amount of application per section. Short, 2 pushes. Medium, 4 pushes. Long, 6 pushes. Place the exclusive trigger on the refill bottle and apply Premium Treatment 1 starting at the ends. Then comb gently with the Timetic treatment brush. Pushing in. Wrap both hands around the strands and hold gently with thumbs together. Apply light pressure as if you are gently pushing in the direction of the roots and work your way down from midsection to the ends. Conduct this apply and push in process for each section. Deep treatment and sealing. Timetic Premium Hair Mask. Timetic Premium Treatment 2. A rich texture with metallic golden glitter evokes the sensation of being enveloped by soothing starlight. Hydration for manageable hair without heaviness. Intensively repairs and protects hair from damage and reinforces the inner strength of each strand to leave hair smooth and radiant. Combined with the premium hair mask, smooths and seals the cuticle, protects against damage, and boosts the repair power of the hair mask. Combine. Amount of use at one time. Put hair mask and treatment 2 in the mixing cup in a ratio of 1:1 and mix well. Application. First, section into 10 parts according to the illustration. Apply combined premium hair mask and premium treatment 2 with a treatment brush. Apply starting from the ends of the hair. Be careful not to get the product onto the scalp. Then comb gently. Sandwiching. Penetration enhancement. Sandwich the strands between index and middle fingers and slide fingers down from root to end 2 to 3 times, smoothing the hair surface. Apply each section in the same way. Wrap. Wrap the whole thing in plastic wrap and leave it for 10 minutes. Emulsifying and rinsing. Fill up the shampoo bowl with warm water. Run your fingers through the customer's hair as you pour the warm water evenly over the hair with your hand. This allows the water and any products that were applied to the hair in the previous processes to blend together. Finally, rinse thoroughly. Radiance Enhancer. Timetic Premium Hair Serum. The lightweight, milky serum moisturizes, repairs, and protects for soft, silky smooth hair with long-lasting radiance. After towel drying, take it for 1 to 2 pumps on your palm of your hands and spread it well. Apply it starting from ends. Shampoo, hair mask, and hair serum can be used in home care. Timetic Premium Shampoo. First, rinse off impurities from the scalp and hair surface with lukewarm water. Then, spread the shampoo through the entire hair and wash with the pads of the fingers moving in circular motion from the face line to the back of the head. Rinse thoroughly so that no shampoo residue remains. Timetic Premium Hair Mask. After shampooing, work into the hair focusing on the ends and leave for 3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse off. For areas with concerns of damage, use the fingers to work in the product as if you are gently pushing in the ingredients into the hair. Timetic Premium Hair Serum. After towel drying, take it for 1 to 2 pumps on your palm of your hands and spread it well. And then work into the hair, focusing on the ends. For a finish with more moisture and shine, spread the oil on both palms and sandwich the hair in dry condition with both hands. Slide the hands along the hair, from the midsection to the ends. Fragrance. A rich white floral garden filled with jasmine, lily of the valley, and orange blossom flowers. The luxurious, rich floral scent also offers the warmth of musk and soft amber to help you relax and unwind. It exudes confidence and boundless optimism for the future. 3. Sublimic Common Technologies in Timetic. 1. Hair reforming technology. We focused on the fact that hair with damage has dents or distortions in the strand's cross-sectional shape. Our proprietary hair reforming technology corrects the distorted shape of each individual strand. 2. Triple layer microcoating. 3 layers of thin film coat the hair surface and protect the hair from external factors such as friction, sebum, and humidity to make the effects of the treatment long-lasting. This technology is used in all Sublimic masks. 4. Circadian rhythm. The body's natural biological clock, a one-day cyclical rhythm, controls different bodily functions during nighttime and daytime. Circadian rhythm also exists in the scalp. Regenerative functions repair at night. Defensive functions protect during the day. Working in tune with circadian rhythm is the crucial key to maintaining a healthy scalp and radiant hair. 5. Timetic technology. The ideal circadian rhythm cycle focuses on circadian rhythm, awakens the potential of the scalp and hair to unlock timeless radiance from within. Circadian rhythm, focused scalp care, works in tune with circadian rhythm, moisturizes to strengthen the barrier function at night and protects from damage during the day. Keeps the scalp healthy to support radiant hair. Intensive hair care. Intensively repairs hair damage, locks in moisture, proteins, and lipids, and protects hair against external damage for immediate and long-lasting radiance. 6. Timetic Complex. Chrono Shardy awakens the scalp's own ability, barrier function, and moisturizing. Grape extract from high quality. Chardonnay Vitis vinifera grown in Nagano. Focused on the scalp's circadian rhythm, awakens the scalp's own ability for improved barrier function and moisturizing. Phytocuticle repairs damaged hair, smooth and radiant. Mimics the hair cuticle structure, is absorbed into damaged areas and repairs efficiently. Repairs damaged hair to leave it smooth and radiant. Furthermore, contains 3 moisturizing ingredients: Punica granatum seed oil, hydrolyzed protein, dipropylene glycol. Summary: recommended for those who want holistic care for both scalp and hair to unlock your timeless radiance. Those who want an ideal hair finish for unwavering confidence. Timetic is advanced care for the future that focuses on circadian rhythms. This luxurious holistic care awakens the potential of your scalp and hair from within.